caracal, acrobatic super cat of East Africa, is known to leap so high he can actually pluck a bird out of flight. This young male is hungry. Now he faces exhaustion. A slippery slope that can easily lead to starvation. But giving up is not in the caracal's DNA. Although he's just 18 inches tall, the cat's rear leg muscles can launch him 10 vertical feet into the air to swipe birds in flight. To withstand hard landings, the cat's padded leg joints act like shock absorbers. But his prey is no pushover. The guinea fowl, one of Africa's fastest running birds. Eyes on the side of its head allow this hen to spot the cat before he's within striking distance. But each time the bird slips away, the caracal tracks her with all its senses on alert. The cat's sense of smell is keen, and its eyes excel at day and night hunting. But its secret weapon is a pair of super sensitive elongated ears, controlled by no fewer than 20 separate muscles. The cat can move each ear independently to triangulate the location of targets as far as 600 feet away. Now they pick up the faint sounds in the grass only 10 yards away. This 4-pound hen can run as fast as 20 feet per second. But this time, the cat's too close to outrun. There is only one way out: up. Guinea fowl can burst into the sky with top speeds of 21 miles per hour. But these birds lack the stamina to fly more than 100 feet at a time. As this hen comes down, the cat is ready. The struggle is over in less than a minute. When the caracal closes the hen's windpipe, she suffocates and dies.